Hey guys, Mike here.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Matchmead in Heaven.
So with our chickens, we thought it might be nice to share with you just how much maintenance on a day-to-day basis. You may be interested in doing some backyard chickens yourself, so we thought it might be a great idea. It's not a big deal once you get things established and you do your research and understand what's going on. Laura, what would you say? A couple minutes every morning? And it's a pleasure, I think, sometimes just to see. They're so excited to see us, whoever goes out to do the morning duties. And then they're also excited because we let ours.
You said duties.
Morning duties?
You said duty.
Isn't it a duty?
It's a chore.
It's a chore.
You said duty.
So I've got my Air Force shirt on, so it's a duty.
You said duty.
See, guys, if for nothing else, you get a good laugh. Hopefully, you got a good laugh out of that one. So, door, duty, or chore. Anything you'd like to share? Do you enjoy doing it?
I enjoy it a lot, yes. I enjoy listening to them fuss and talk to us, and it takes about 5 to 10 minutes in the morning.
Oh, instead of 2?
Well, I stay out there a little longer because I talk to them and pet them and stuff, but then in the afternoon when we let them out, it takes a few minutes to gather all the eggs.
Yeah. So that's a great point. When we go out early in the morning, this is just to give them food and water and check on things overnight. They're laying eggs, and Laura saw them in line yesterday, trying to get into the coop to lay some eggs. Is that a duty or a chore for them?
Laying eggs?
Yeah. What would you call that? Is that a duty or a chore?
That's their job.
It's a duty. It's a duty.
It's their job.
So they're laying their eggs. So when we go out of the evenings after work, 4 or 5 p.m., it just depends. Yesterday we let them out at 3 on a Saturday.
I try to let them out at least by 3 o'clock.
So that gives them some free range time and some time usually when we're watching them preparing dinner. Laura's working on dinner. I'm off work, so I'm doing something outside so we can have that oversight while they're free ranging on our acre. So, but that's the time when we gather the eggs. So maybe we'll catch a future video on that. That's not a big deal at all. It's just a lot of fun to see what they've left us in their job. Not their duty, not their chore, their job. Thanks for watching Matchmead in Heaven. Please subscribe, click the little bell, turn on notifications if you'd like to get future awareness on any videos that we're doing. But we appreciate you watching today.
See ya later.
See you later. All right, if you're going to take care of chickens, I like to change shoes. I don't like to put my shoes on that I'm going to wear in the house. So step number 1, you got to get your chicken poo shoes on, everybody.
What's your name, Mr. Rogers?
My name is Mr. Rogers. Step number 1. I still have my dress socks on. So this is a great outfit, but you got to get your poo shoes on. What do you use for your chicken poo shoes, Laura?
My Crocs. Or bare feet.
Bare feet?
Yep.
Is that good for your skin?
Wonderful.
Wonderful for skin. So that's Laura's poo shoes. My poo shoes are boots. So after you put your shoes on, we got to get some water for them. So right now, 14 hens. I would say, Laura, they're going through about a gallon of water a day. So pretty easy. This takes a couple minutes total to do every morning. Take a gallon of water down with us.
Morning, girls. Hi, pretties.
All right, we got our water. Now we got to get some food. So what we like to do is we like to throw some scratch down on the ground for them during the day, and then of course their food we've been buying pellets. So Laura will follow me through the door here. We keep that stored out here in the she shed, chicken coop. All right, Laura, I don't know if you can see it. There's our scratch grains, and then we're using, pronounce that, Dumore, for the pelletized layer pellet. So that's what we're using now. Now, I will put some grit in with their pelletized too. So I'll just get a little sprinkle and put some in every day. It actually rocks for them. It helps them digest their food. What's this guy called, Laura?
Carabiner.
We use a carabiner on here because, believe it or not, you've probably seen a lot of videos where cats can figure out how to open doors.
Raccoons.
Raccoons can figure out how to open up doors too. So we use a carabiner here to keep things from getting in. But you can see they're excited to see me. So what I've learned is when I go in, I put the food down low and they'll start pecking at it, and that keeps them from getting out on me. I don't want them out. Right now I don't want them out. Hey girls. All right girls, here you go. Laura, can you see our food dispensers? So we've got a couple here because we have 14, so we like to give them different options. I just fill up these couple guys here during the day, and then we'll put some in this guy, and that just gives them different choices there. But you can see they're entertained now by the scratch grains.
Okay.
Alright, so while they're doing the scratch grains, I can now put some water in. So we just got a 5-gallon bucket. We use the dark colored bucket because that helps with the algae. If light can get in there, then algae will grow. So we just got a 5-gallon bucket. We got nipples on the bottom that they'll peck for getting water out of it. So we just transfer over a gallon in every day. Laura made a good point earlier. We let them free range from about, let's just say 3 hours every evening on average. So this water here is what they're going to get while they're in the run today. But they're getting natural sources either from downspouts or things that are around when they're outside of the run. So they're drinking more than a gallon a day. But so that's a good point. Thanks for watching Match Meat in Heaven. Please subscribe, click the little bell, turn on notifications if you'd like to get future awareness on any videos that we're doing. But we appreciate you watching today.
See ya later.
See you later.